How to set up Call Now button in your Facebook page to call you or your office directly. So let's begin the video. In Facebook page, you need to click this three-dotted horizontal More option. In this menu, you need to click Add Action button. Next, in the pop-up window, click this Try It button. And in pop-up screen, from the options available, select the Call Now option to set up phone call button and continue to next step. In this screen, you need to select the country first and next, enter your phone number in the phone field and save to update changes. Next, let's move to the Facebook page and view as a Facebook user. And done, you can see the Call Now button has been set up. The Facebook user can view and use the phone number to contact you directly to communicate with you. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates for more videos.